Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable message ID for a transaction on Truecaller. So let's get started. Firstly, open Truecaller app in your device. Then tap on three dots icon. Next tap on settings. After that tap on messaging. Then tap on manage preferences. Then you can see the option of transaction. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can enable transaction for message ID on Truecaller. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.